luxury, heritage, and revolutionary design. What happens when Citroen reimagines one of its most iconic masterpieces for the future? Buckle up, because today, we're going to dive into the spectacular 2026 Citroen DS Pallas, a retro-futuristic marvel that rewrites the rules of modern elegance. Let's start with that stunning front end. The 2026 DS Pallas pays homage to the legendary DS of the 1950s and 60s, but gives it a bold, modern twist. Slim, jewel-like LED headlights sit in hidden pods, giving the car a commanding yet elegant look. A subtle light bar runs along the grille, interrupted only by a modernized Citroen, minimalist, yet unmistakably French. From the side, the car is pure poetry in motion. The floating roofline, hidden rear door handles, and graceful shoulder line echo the timeless silhouette of the original DS, but with modern proportions and muscular haunches. Check out those futuristic aero wheels, sleek, turbine-style rims that not only look spectacular, but also improve airflow and efficiency. The rear is where the design really takes off. The sloping rear window, taillights connected by sharp LED signatures, and a wide spoiler that seamlessly integrates into the roofline. It's as if the past and the future have had a perfect meeting. The bold DS Pallas badge and centrally positioned exhaust diffuser hint at performance, but in an understated and classy way. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, or perhaps on the floor, lies a sophisticated all-electric drivetrain. The DS Pallas FS3 edition is rumored to feature dual motors, producing more than 400 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, acceleration time of under 4.5 seconds. With a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, you can travel up to 600 kilometers in the real world, all supported by 800-volt fast charging. Quiet, fast, and sustainable, this is Citroen at its most ambitious. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a lounge-like interior. Soft, sustainable materials, floating digital displays, and ambient lighting create a high-tech, classy cabin. A panoramic roof floods the space with light, while advanced noise cancellation keeps passengers at ease. The steering wheel is a minimalist dream, and Citroen's signature hydropneumatic-inspired suspension ensures an immersive driving experience. The 2026 Citroen DS Pallas isn't just a resurrection, it's a rebirth. By blending the spirit of a legend with the technology of the future, Citroen has created something rare, a car that respects the past while daring to define the future. Is this the most beautiful electric car of 2026? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more great automotive content.